Ranapur is a small town in Nayagarh district with scenic natural beauty and rich historical values. Maa Maninaga temple is one among them, built on the hilltop. It is situated 5 kilometers above the ground level by road. It has a beautiful yet fascinating historical significance. It's a short but difficult trek to the top, offering a mind-blowing views of the surrounding. There are numerous fountains and water streams originating and running through the hills, so pay a visit to enjoy and experience this beauty of Ranpur, especially during pre or post monsoon time.